Welcome to the channel. Have you lost access to your StumbleGuys account and want to recover it? In this video, I'll show you how to recover StumbleGuys account. Let's get started. First, open StumbleGuys on your mobile phone. The game may take a little time to load, so wait until it opens completely. Once the game opens, close any advertisement that appears on the screen. Now open Settings. Scroll down until you find Help and Support, then tap on it. Here you'll see the option to contact support. Open the chat to start a conversation with the support team. In the message box, type, "I want to recover my account," then send the message. The support team will then ask you some questions to verify your account. When you're asked for your username, enter the username associated with your account and provide any other information they request. After you've provided the required information, the support team will review your request and help you with the account recovery process. And that's it! If this tutorial helped you recover your StumbleGuys account, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful gaming tutorials.